Have you ever wondered what resistors are and how they function in your favorite electronic devices? Resistors, folks, are the unsung heroes of electronics. They control the flow of electricity, ensuring our devices operate smoothly. Resistors are more than just tiny electronic components. They are the silent heroes that keep our devices functioning smoothly. Resistors perform a critical role in electronic circuits. But what exactly is this role? Think of an electric circuit as a water pipe. The resistor acts like a narrow section in this pipe, limiting the flow of water, or in our case, the electric current. By controlling this flow, resistors regulate voltage and current, preventing potential damage to more sensitive components in the circuit. So, in essence, resistors protect other electronic components by controlling the electrical current's speed and intensity. Now that we know the function of resistors, let's delve into what makes up a resistor. It's really quite straightforward. A resistor is composed of two main elements, the resistive material and the leads. The resistive material, often a metal or carbon variant, provides the resistance. The leads, usually wire-based, enable the resistor to be seamlessly integrated into a circuit. The beauty of resistors lies in their simplicity. Just a resistive material and two leads doing an important job. Resistors may seem complex, but they are actually quite simple when you break them down. They control the current flow in circuits, are made of resistive material and leads, and shield electronics from damage. Next time you use an electronic device, remember the essential role that resistors play.